Hey guys, thank you for stopping by Simple Cooking with Braden Brand TV. Totally appreciate you coming through and getting a little taste of the Ritz cracker crusted baked chicken. This is one of my most delicious meals from my dad. He was a chef. Besides barbecue, he could really cook. We have leg quarters. We have carrots, for glazed carrots. And we have our secret ingredient, Ritz crackers. So, let me get the other ingredients real quick. Well, I like extra strength virgin olive oil, but I'm gonna try the sesame seed toasted oil. That might be good as well. So, first thing we do is we turn the oven on to 350. I'm gonna put it to 360. And then we layer our oven container with foil paper. Okay. All right. We're going to take the drumsticks, drop them in a bowl. Take the drumsticks, make sure you rinse them off first. Take the drumsticks, put them in a bowl, rinse them off, add your salt and your pepper. I got to get one of those fancy salt and pepper containers. In my meat with lemon pepper. Lemon pepper and it's kind of strong, y'all. And I'm gonna crush the Ritz crackers. Add my toasted sesame seed oil over it, because you have to coat the chicken so that the sesame seeds would adhere to the chicken. So I'm going to let that soak in oil for a minute while I crush my Ritz crackers in a bowl. So each drumstick, I'm going to layer the drumstick with the cracker crumb. Then I'm going to put it. Now you see all the drumsticks are based and oiled with Ritz cracker crumbs. And I'm gonna bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour, and it'll be ready to serve for dinner. Anybody want Ritz cracker baked chicken today? Come to Simple Cooking with Braden Brand in our house. Hello, hello. Today, do I have a treat for you? We are going to eat. This is one of my most delicious meals. I gotta get one of those fancy salt and pepper containers.
Hey you guys, thank you for stopping by Simple Cooking with BradenB TV. Totally appreciate you coming through and getting a little taste of the Ritz cracker crusted baked chicken. Next week we will do a 3 cheese mac and cheese with lobster. Thanking you and have a great weekend.
So right now, I'm adding a touch of salt, adding a touch of brown sugar. Touch of brown sugar to my carrot. I'm putting the lid on it and letting it cook down for about 30 minutes. Don't that look good? Good old carrots. You will be able to take the knife and you'll run it straight through, and if the knife goes straight through, guess what? The carrots are ready. You don't want to overcook them. I let it cool down for 15 minutes and then I transfer it to the carrot dinner bowl.
Hey you guys, thank you for stopping by Simple Cooking with BradenB TV. Totally appreciate you coming through and getting a little taste of the Ritz cracker crusted baked chicken. Next week we will do a 3 cheese mac and cheese with lobster. Thanking you and have a great weekend.
OMG, this was wonderful. Ritz cracker crust crumble. An awesome dinner. You know what? I think I need another piece.